So in today's video, I will be showing how you can create a CV using ChatGPT and also the different types of prompts that you can use to generate different CVs according to the job that you want to apply for. So let's get to it. First, we need to go to ChatGPT, so in your browser, insert open.aa.com and then log in. In a new chat, insert the following prompt, write a CV, and just keep in mind this will only give you a basic format of a CV. As you can see, the format that ChatGPT generates provides all the different subtopics in a CV and also has all these brackets next to the spaces where you need to insert your own information. So, in a new Word document, copy and paste the CV format from ChatGPT. Once you have done that, you can now remove all the brackets and insert your own information. Now you have your own personal CV, and through this method, you have saved time and money as well. And now for the bonus method. You need to go back to ChatGPT and insert the following prompt. Write a CV for a school that I want to apply for. By providing more information in the prompt, this allows ChatGPT to create a more detailed CV and saves you time and guides you in the right direction. As you can see in this CV, with the added information, provides more detailed descriptions, and it also gives you a list of all the requirements that schools are looking for that are commonly used in CVs when applying for a job. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and for more videos with solutions like this, like and subscribe.